Can you get FaceTime for Windows and PCs? Methods to video chat with family and friends in your home Windows PC. Nonetheless, there are various appropriate alternate options to FaceTime for home Windows that make it potential to video chat with family and friends out of your laptop, telephone, or pill. Why cannot you get FaceTime for home Windows? When introducing FaceTime on the firm's Worldwide Builders Convention in 2010, Apple CEO Steve Jobs informed attendees, "We'll make FaceTime an open trade normal," which might imply that anybody might create software program that was appropriate with FaceTime. This coverage would have opened the doorways for third-party builders to create FaceTime apps for home Windows. Not lengthy after it debuted on the iPhone, Apple added FaceTime Assist for the Mac in order that customers could make video calls between iOS units and Macs. Since then, there's been little dialogue about making FaceTime an open normal, which signifies that there is no manner for somebody utilizing home Windows to make a FaceTime name to somebody utilizing an iOS system or a Mac. Alternate options to FaceTime for home Windows and PCs. Although Apple FaceTime does not work on home Windows, there are applications that supply comparable video chat options, and these applications work throughout many working methods. So long as you and the particular person you need to name each have these applications, you can also make video calls to one another. It doesn't matter what form of system you employ. Zoom is a terrific video chat app utilized by companies and people alike. It really works on home Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS as effectively through all main internet browsers. Skype, one of the extensively used video chat apps, Skype works on Mac OS, iOS, home Windows, Android, Linux, and different platforms. The software program is free to make use of, and you may record Skype calls at no further price. It is also potential to name long-distance telephone numbers immediately for added charges. WeChat, with over 1 billion customers, WeChat is a video chat app with worldwide attraction. Though it is not as well known within the US, WeChat is fashionable in China, so it's possible you'll want this app to speak with folks there. Google Hangouts is a chat platform that gives textual content and video chat assist for Android, Chome OS, iOS, Mac OS, and home Windows. Because it integrates with the Google ecosystem, you can also make video calls from the Gmail interface. Glide, along with video calling and textual content messaging, you should use Glide to file quick video clips and ship them to associates to observe later. It additionally helps group chats with as much as 50 folks. Glide works on most Android, iOS, and home Windows units. Emo, this fashionable texting and video calling app runs on Android, iOS, and home Windows. Use Emo if you need to encrypt communications for higher safety. iMessage, like FaceTime, iMessage works over 3G and 4G LTE mobile knowledge networks, not simply Wi-Fi. It is obtainable for iOS, home Windows telephone, Android, Mac OS, and home Windows. Viber claims to have over 500 million customers worldwide. This app is a perfect technique to join with folks internationally. It does not have advertisements and helps dozens of languages. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.